Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a flight into the fascinating world of our feathered friends. Birds are everywhere, from the pigeons in the city square to the exotic parrots in the rainforest. But how much do we really know about them? Get ready to have your mind blown because we're counting down 10 incredible facts about birds that you probably didn't know. Let's start with a big one. Did you know that birds are technically dinosaurs? That's right. Modern birds are the direct descendants of a group of two-legged dinosaurs known as theropods, which included the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. While the non-avian dinosaurs were wiped out 66 million years ago, a few bird-like dinosaurs survived and evolved into the incredible diversity of birds we see today. So next time you see a chicken pecking at the ground, remember you're looking at a tiny living dinosaur. It kind of changes how you see them, doesn't it? Next up, fact number 2. Birds have an incredibly efficient respiratory system, unlike anything we mammals have. When we breathe, air flows in and out of our lungs. But birds have a one-way system. Air flows through their lungs in a single direction, which allows them to extract a much higher concentration of oxygen from each breath. This is one of the secrets to their high-energy lifestyle and their ability to fly at extreme altitudes where the air is thin. It's like having a superpower for breathing. Speaking of superpowers, let's talk about their vision. For our third fact, birds have some of the best eyes in the animal kingdom. Many birds, especially birds of prey like eagles and hawks, have vision that is many times sharper than our own. An eagle can spot a rabbit from over a mile away. But it gets even cooler. Birds can see ultraviolet light, a spectrum of light that is completely invisible to us. This allows them to see patterns on feathers, fruits, and flowers that we can't, helping them find mates and food. The world must look incredibly different and much more vibrant through a bird's eyes. Alright, moving on to fact number 4. Have you ever wondered why you never see baby pigeons? It's a common city mystery, but the answer is quite simple. Pigeons are very protective parents. Their young, called squabs, stay in the nest for an unusually long time, up to 6 weeks. By the time they finally leave the nest, they're fully grown and look almost identical to the adult pigeons. So you have seen baby pigeons, you just didn't realize it because they already look like teenagers. Fact number 5 is all about feathers. Feathers are a defining characteristic of birds, and they are truly marvelous structures. They're made of keratin, the same protein that makes up our hair and fingernails. But did you know a bird can have thousands of them? A small songbird might have 2,000 to 3,000 feathers, while a swan can have over 25,000. These feathers are not just for flight. They provide insulation, waterproofing, and are used for communication and camouflage. It's like a multi-tool outfit that's perfectly designed for their needs. Now for a fact that's a little messy. Fact number 6. Birds don't pee, that's right. Unlike mammals, birds don't have a separate bladder to store liquid waste. Instead, they combine their solid and liquid waste into a single substance. This white, pasty material is mostly uric acid, and it's their way of conserving water, which is a very useful adaptation, especially for birds living in dry environments or during long flights. It also makes their droppings lighter, which is pretty important when you need to fly. Let's dive into the world of bird intelligence for fact number 7. We often use the term bird brain as an insult, but we couldn't be more wrong. Many bird species are incredibly intelligent. Crows, ravens, and jays, part of the corvid family, are particularly brilliant. They can solve complex problems, use tools, remember human faces for years, and even plan for the future. Some studies have shown that a crow's intelligence is on par with that of a 7-year-old human child. So next time you see a crow, show some respect. It might be smarter than you think. Fact number 8 might surprise you. Some birds can sleep with one eye open. This is called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. It means they can shut down one half of their brain to rest while the other half stays awake and alert for predators. The eye connected to the sleeping hemisphere closes, while the eye connected to the awake hemisphere stays open and on the lookout. Ducks are famous for this, often sleeping in a row where the ducks at each end keep one eye open, literally watching out for the rest of the group. It's the ultimate power nap. Coming in at number 9, we have the incredible diversity of bird beaks. A bird's beak or bill is a specialized tool perfectly adapted to its diet. You can tell a lot about what a bird eats just by looking at its beak. A finch has a short, stout beak for cracking seeds. A hummingbird has a long, thin beak for sipping nectar from flowers. An eagle has a sharp, hooked beak for tearing meat. A pelican has a huge pouch for scooping up fish. Darwin himself famously studied the beaks of finches on the Galapagos Islands, which helped him form his theory of evolution. The beak is a perfect example of nature's amazing design. And finally, our 10th incredible fact. The world's smallest bird is the bee hummingbird. Found in Cuba, this tiny marvel weighs less than a penny, about 2 grams, and is only about 2 inches long. Its heart beats at an astonishing rate of up to 1,260 beats per minute, and it flaps its wings so fast they're just a blur to the human eye. In a single day, a bee hummingbird can visit up to 1,500 flowers to get enough nectar to survive. It's a tiny buzzing bundle of energy and a true wonder of the natural world. And there you have it, 10 amazing facts that show just how extraordinary birds really are. From their dinosaur ancestors to their superhuman vision and incredible intelligence, there's so much to appreciate about these creatures we share our world with. The next time you hear a bird singing outside your window, maybe you'll think about all the complex and fascinating things going on inside that little feathered head. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. I love reading what you guys think. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of birds, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts about the animal kingdom. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.